Kitchen cabinet trends in 2025 highlight sustainability, sleek design, and personalization, combining functionality with modern aesthetics. Natural wood finishes, particularly in lighter tones like oak, maple, and ash, are gaining popularity for their organic, warm appeal. Minimalist, handleless cabinets are a key trend, offering a seamless and sleek appearance. Two-tone cabinets continue to trend, with contrasting upper and lower cabinets or mixing materials like wood and metal for a visually dynamic effect. Darker hues, such as deep blue, forest green, or charcoal, are favored for base cabinets, while lighter colors or natural wood finishes dominate upper cabinets. Sustainability plays a significant role in cabinet trends, with recycled and eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood and bamboo being highly sought after. Hidden storage solutions, such as pull-out pantry cabinets, spice racks, and deep drawers for pots and pans, add functionality and declutter the space. Open shelving is a trend that continues in 2025, allowing for a mix of closed cabinets and exposed storage. Floating shelves in natural wood or metal frames provide space to display dishware, plants, or decorative items, adding personality to the kitchen. Glass front cabinets are also making a comeback, offering a modern twist on traditional kitchen designs, where homeowners can showcase elegant dishware or pantry items. Bold, colorful cabinetry is on the rise, with vibrant colors like mustard yellow, rich teal, or even terracotta making a statement in otherwise neutral kitchens. Kitchen cabinets with mixed materials, such as combining metal accents with wood or glass, create a unique industrial feel that is both trendy and practical. Built-in lighting, especially under-cabinet LED strips, enhances both function and ambience, making tasks easier while creating a warm, inviting glow. Finally, smart storage solutions like motorized cabinets or automated drawers are being integrated into high-tech kitchens, reflecting the growing influence of smart home technology in kitchen design.